behalf of IKO, it's truly an honor to stand here today and celebrate the grand opening of our glass fiber facility.
And also to officially open up the IKO Chester mat plant and celebrate what we've built together.
This is a fabulous day for IKO. This is a fabulous day for Chester County.
What we produce at the fiber plant will help build stronger roofs, safer structures, and more durable products around the world. Beyond the equipment and the product lines, this facility is about people.
It represents teamwork, commitment, and a shared vision. We're building a culture where people take pride in their work, support each other, and deliver results customers can depend on.
Building a facility of this scale usually takes 5 to 6 years. This plant here was done in just over 4 years. I don't think we skimped on quality.
$500 million went into these two facilities, and we created right here in South Carolina 250 jobs.
IKO, you are part of South Carolina's fingerprints.
We are here. We feel part of the family. We hope you accept us, and we're looking forward to a great and long-term relationship here in Chester.
Welcome to South Carolina. We're proud to have you in the family.